Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about timestamps, the new feature that YouTube just rolled out. I'm talking about it today. I hope you guys keep watching. If you know you're a creator or you want to get to know what timestamps are and how you can achieve it on YouTube, watch out. It's also going to be in my description box, so you guys should check out my description box. I will drop an example of it so you guys can follow. If you're a creator, you will need it for your videos. If you just want to see my face, how we doing? Are you good? I'm good. So as we good, let's get into the... As creators, it's hard for us to keep the attention of our viewers for that long. So instead of them just clicking off like, okay, watch 2 minutes and you're like, she's talking too much, let me just click off. You get? Now these timestamps, they help you. Like, people just go and you can just go to that timestamp, look at it, shift it to that time, and you're watching your video already. You get it? So it's easy for creators, it's easy for people too to understand. Like, you can get your information quickly, you can skip all this introduction and just get to the main points. Like I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to tell you the tips on how to get a working timestamp, like how to achieve this. One, the video, your timestamp has to start from 0.00. I'm going to put an example here. 0.00 introduction. From 00 introduction, you don't have to jump to 001. You can't do that. It has to be 10 seconds, at least 10 seconds apart from the other time. You get? So 001, you can move to say 0030. Okay, so that's like 30 seconds later. Main topic, maybe chapter 1, chapter 2. Like most times when you want to talk about hacks, like 5 tips, 5 hacks. So now you can now put these timestamps for each hack. You have to put the time correctly. Now it has to be 10 seconds apart, at least 10 seconds apart from each timestamp. Thereby, we should have nothing less than 3 timestamps for it to correspond, for it to like pick the chapters, and you see those timestamps. You see the marking on the timeline, so you can just skip to that part, like skip. Okay, I'm going to put an example of it here of what your description box should look like. The timestamps helps both the creators and viewers. Okay, it helps because you don't have to watch through the whole video. Now you can get to the point where you want to get to. If you're a creator, make sure you put that in your video, and if you are a viewer, make sure that you check timestamps, so you don't just click off the video and be like, she was talking too much, so I just had to click off the video. No, you can just check the timestamps in the description box, and you can find where it is, what you're looking for. Okay, thank you guys so much for rocking with me to the end of this video. I just took my lights, but you know, we'll work around it.